Hello everyone, today I decided to make a video on how to install Gentoo with OpenRC and Mate from scratch, and there won't be any cuts in this video, so this will be a complete install. I'm not going to speedrun it or anything, just gonna take my time and actually show you how an install will look in like somewhat real conditions, somewhat real. Alright, let's create a new virtual machine there. I'm gonna use Live GUI because the font's gonna be nice, and also I'll show you how to use browser and how to actually check out the Gentoo handbook. Right, I think I'm gonna give it like 16 gigabytes, and let's give it all the threads. Why not? I'm gonna go with 20 gigs there, and I'm gonna customize my install because I wanted to enable UEFI, and we're gonna make a UEFI install. All right, let's boot it. Okay, we're in. And the first thing I think we should do is to actually kind of set our display to proper resolution, because it looks really ugly by default. I would need like 1080. Yep, looking good. Then I'm gonna open Firefox, and also I'm gonna use console there. Right, this goes on the left. What? It doesn't recognize my keys for some reason. Strange. Well, let's manually tout it. Whatever. And I'm gonna also increase the font because of course I would. Alright, so let's check out the Gentoo handbook. I think it's there. Yes. So we're gonna use MD64, of course. The drive is there, and I also need to check AFIVARs because everything looks good. Right, I don't think we're gonna skip to the preparing disks section, because we already have the network and everything. It actually kind of tells you about how to make a proper layout and everything. And we're gonna just use the layout they advise for the UEFI system. Yep. It also tells you about different file systems, what kind of packages and utils you need for those. Right, so let's create a file system. I'm gonna do it the usual way, because I do like my SF disk, I think it's kind of the best program. Right, empty GPT table done. Then we're gonna what? We're gonna create the partitions. I think it's something like this. All right. First one is gonna be 25. 256 megs. And it's gonna be UEFI and it's gonna be bootable. Second one gonna be, let's do this one, 2 GB, it's gonna be swap. And the last one, it's gonna take all the space and it's gonna be Linux root. You don't really have to give proper types this time because we're not using like systemd auto generator or anything, but I think it's just kind of good practice to do it this way. And then let's create the file systems. First one is gonna be fats32. And let's give it label. Because this time we will make a fast-up file. And I'm gonna use labels, so it will be easier to kind of navigate it. And let's create a swap partition. I'm also giving it label. And the last one gonna be xfs. And it's gonna be root. Alright, looks good. I'm going to basically just mount it. You can take whatever directory. You don't really have to create the Gentoo one. And we will have to download our file. Stage 3 file, of course. I think I made a mistake there, yep. I think I'm gonna use the mirrors. There they are. I really like this mirror. It was kind of fast for me. So it's gonna be releases, MD64 attributes, and we're gonna install Mate, so we would need OpenRC, like desktop profile and everything. No, not like this. Like this. Basically there we have already mounted them. And the next part is, yep, choosing a stage file. That's basically what we're doing there. Tells us to use links and mirrors, so the download will be faster. It also shows you how to validate the stage archive and also how to unpack it. It's kind of slow today. The file size is bigger actually, when you think about it. I don't think we're gonna set any like C flags there, because it doesn't really matter. Makeups, I'm gonna set makeups. Actually, I think I will set merge. Yeah, the photos. Yes. Gonna set that one. And I think it will basically, let's just kind of duplicate the tab. Gonna leave it here so we can kind of know how to extract it. I'm gonna go to the next one. And there basically says you to copy the result.conf. So we get DNS names resolution and how to like do it sure there. All right. It's already kind of 10 minutes. I'm taking my time there. It's almost done. Almost done. Okay, we also would need Shasum. This one. Because we do want to actually check it. Right, looking good. So we can use this command to basically extract it. V is for verbose, so we're gonna meet it. But not going to ignore the other ones. What? For some reason it kind of hang up for me. Let's try again. That won't autocomplete for some reason. Alright. Looking good. Oh, don't need this tab anymore. Kind of takes long. Oh yeah, it's bigger because we're using desktop profile, of course. Makes sense actually. When you think about it this way. Okay. Now I can just copy. We can copy the resolve file right there. I'm gonna also select my mirrors. Gonna use HTTPS, and for region I'm gonna use Europe. Gonna do like 3 mirrors. It's gonna take some time, I think. Let's see what's next. Basically show you how to like sync portage repositories and to like select the profile and everything. This one is important. It shows you how to use binary host. We're gonna use it to really speed up our process. Okay, done. Right, so let's shoot basically. Let's check that the internet is working, because it should work. All right, now I'm gonna copy basically what it says there. Gonna copy repository config. It's located to user share British config repos conf. Gonna put it into there basically. And I'm also gonna change some stuff. Gonna use Russian mirrors, not this. Okay. And I think that should be everything, right? We can also set a different binary host. This one looks good. Let's use this one. Okay, looking good. And now I can just do a merge, sync. And we're then gonna proceed with the thing. So we would be basically completely synced with the current state of the repos. I'm also gonna check our profile, but I think it should be set to the correct one. We also should generate GPG keys. Gonna do it right now. Not gonna set any use flags for now. All right. So let's generate GPG keys. Oh, it's PGP, but oh, it's GPG. I was right. Yeah, it's GPG, but PGP one is okay. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. So first of all, let's create our basic file. Or what? I think we would need this. And let's emerge tmax. Yes, let's emerge tmax. So we won't waste like a lot of time. Then I'm gonna set the default options. And I'm gonna set basically I'm gonna set this. All right. So first we start with options. We're gonna do like, let's do 12. And for features, let's do this. Let's check how it works. Gonna do a normal editor, you know. Also need to set our video cards. So we could actually do graphics in a virtual machine. And I think for this we would need basically we need this, and we also need QLX, I think. All right. Just gonna go there. I'm gonna do QXL and Virgil. Yes. Now it looks good. And also let's create package use. Let's create a global one. I think I'm gonna disable ggkdog. And that would be it for now. And let's actually check our profile. And then I think let's update. See how it goes. I think it looks good. Looks good. About going, we need to. I think we're gonna use systemd boot. So we need to make fdir, and we need to mount our first partition to this directory. Next, we're gonna check that it's mounted properly. Okay. And so we don't need this. So we done this. We done bin host. We set our video cards. We're gonna touch license. I'm gonna touch that. Ooh, yes, we're updating world there. Time zone. I don't think I'm gonna set time zone because you can always change it. It's not really like that important. But I guess I'll set. This. Let's generate our chaos. And let's set our locale. And also I think we need to merge basically bash completion. Yes, looking good. So we're done with the chaos. And the next one is the Linux kernel. And of course we need our firmware. And we also need install kernel. And because we're using systemd boot, there it will actually show you how to do it. All right. I think it's gonna be. Should be there, yeah. It's there. So there it shows you what options you need for systemd boot to work properly. Okay. So let's do this. And then let's merge our Linux firmware. It will not let us to do this because of the license. So let's actually set it. It's gonna be Linux firmware redistributable, and it will go into package.license. And now if we didn't make any typos, we should be able to merge it. Yes, everything looks good. But there we are not really finishing. So let's make another window. And we would need to actually source our profile again because of bash completion. And let's create let's create the file for kernel, basically options. And if you're using this kernel, you kind of want to set that, but it only matters, I think, for NVIDIA graphics card, but just set it, you know. And yes, let's do this. So it's gonna be syskernel, install kernel, and we're gonna do truckut. We're gonna do systemd. We're gonna do systemd. Systemd. It will not allow you to set systemd boot without setting systemd, but it will not merge systemd. Don't worry, it will just merge systemd with the proper options. And I think I will also gonna use UEFI for a unified kernel image. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. No. Think I made a mistake there. Syskernel, install kernel, systemd, boot. This is some strange stuff. Let's check it. Firmware is done. We didn't basically set anything. Why? Yeah, because of this shit. Because I think it should give us errors. Yes, because of systemd utils. It needs kernel install, it also needs boot. So let's set it. Systemd utils needs install kernel, and it also needs boot. So it should be good now, I think. Oh, it's not install kernel, it's kernel install. Yeah. And now it's so good, so good. So let's merge our kernel. Well, where it is. And let's also set some truckut. Haven't merged it yet, so it won't allow us to set it. I mean, it will, but it will try to overwrite the config file, so let's just wait. For now, let's basically know our etc kernel. Wow. Alright, we should be able to do build record conf. Okay, create the file. Don't need anything. What we need host only set to yes. Then we need this. I didn't copy. Wait. It's not really strange stuff. Okay, I think I'm forgetting something. No, it's alright. There basically we need to kind of set our root drive. And our root drive has a label of root. What's gonna be it. And I will also use OpenRC init in this install. Because why not? Why not? And for this to work, we need to actually set it there. Okay. This looks good. And we need to make sure this one is empty. Yes. Now it looks good. Now it looks good. Tries to rebuild stuff. I don't think that's gonna be the problem. Let's install system reboot. Okay. And then let's get our kernel. We would also need to basically, so OpenRC, it has OpenRC basically has this flag that allows you to use CSV utils, CSV-like scripts with OpenRC. Because OpenRC init, it kind of doesn't use like reboot and power off. It uses OpenRC reboot, OpenRC power off. So we need this flag basically. I think I'm gonna create a new file. Let's call it system. And there I'm using nano. Whatever. OpenRC CSV utils. Okay, looks good. Now we need to basically do this again, and it will drop CSV init, and it's gonna use like OpenRC for everything, which basically maybe not really what you want, but that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so we're done with our kernel. We're done with basically this everything. And let's go to the next step. Next step is writing a fast step. I think it's gonna be easy. Basically here it shows you an example for a UEFI system. Just gonna copy that. So, gonna copy that, but we're using labels, of course, because it's really convenient. First one is gonna be label FE, and it's gonna be mounted at the FE. File system is UEFI. Basically copy the umask thingy and the fast check attributes. Next one is gonna be label swap. It's gonna be mounted to nowhere, and it's gonna be swap with these parameters. And the last one is just root, add root, xfs. Let's give it no time, like this. And let's check what we have actually written there. Okay, this looks good. Also, let's create a password for our user. Okay, I have the kernel, we have everything. So, what I'm gonna do next? Next I'm gonna do networking. There is also this kind of weird thing where it says you to set your hostname at like etc hostname, but actually what you wanna do, it's set it at conf.d. I don't know why, but that kind of overrides everything. So yeah, I don't know how we call a computer there. Let's call it Mate. Alright. Not really original, but whatever. And next I'm gonna use Network Manager, but first let's copy the bash completion. Not copy, but source. And then let's create the network file. There basically we need to set some parameters for Network Manager. Disable some stuff. We don't need PPP, we don't need Vext, and we don't need like villages on this machine. And I think we also need to use this for Wi-Fi. There is no Wi-Fi, but let's pretend. And for sys apps, OpenRC, I think we're gonna disable net if RC. And this looks good. Let's actually kind of test it. Oh no, I think we also wanna network manager. Yeah, we want a network manager there. And also, let's do another thing, because we are gonna use audio. And let's just set Pipewire there and push audio. And just in case, let's just disable media video Pipewire. It's gonna be what? It's gonna be basically, we need sound server, yes. Sound server. And for media, I think it's audio. Push audio, we need to like disable daemon. It's better to disable this explicitly, because you never know and you want to be sure that it is disabled. But for some reason it still tries to use like Bluetooth. But I think I have disabled that, right? There. No, we need to enable and disable it. Yes. So let's do network manager. Okay, no Bluetooth. No anything. This looks good, honestly. While this stuff happens, let's do Pipewire. Yes, it is using the sound server. So it should be all right. This one looks good. And this one just doesn't do anything. So let's do this. Okay. Looks good. This one looks good also. And let's enable network manager. We are using OpenRC, so we need that. This takes some time, actually. It does. Well, whatever. Okay, this one is done. Let's enable it. Okay, this one looks good. Let's check Fast tab again. So just I'm sure it looks good also. It does. Okay, and we do have our network, right? So, for some reason, network, net IFRC, OpenRC, sysaps. This is strange. Did I make a mistake again? Oh yeah, we need to, of course, we need to disable, not enable it. We need to disable it. This mistake is really dumb. Alright, let's install Mate. There is a section on Mate in Gentoo. There, it's basically easy. Just kinda merge that and setting it up really simple. We're gonna do everything, of course. So it's looking good. It does look good. Okay, we're doing this. And we need to set our default. I think I'm gonna use slide DM, just kind of as an example, but I don't really use kind of display managers myself. Kind of hate them. So it's gonna be X session Mate. Alright, and then we need to set also, we need to set our display manager. There is no. I think we need to do this. And we actually need to merge it properly. Shouldn't take that long. Let's enable dbus for now. And let's what? I think we need that. I'm gonna install Firefox from Flatpak because I can and because why not? So then let's set our display manager. All right. Why this one doesn't exist? Huh? Should exist though. I mean, kinda did for me last time. Okay, never mind. So then we need to enable this one. Oh yeah, now I get it, because there is no excerpt. This was kind of dumb of me, but whatever. I think that's all for mate. Mate. So we do disable this. I'm not going to touch the host file. We already set the password, and that's basically it. I'm also gonna set the system logger. We don't need a cron diamond. That's, oh yeah, also the time sync thingy. Okay. Damn. Let me install something. Yes, QXL is there. QXL is there. All right. And we're gonna do, I think we need that. And let's use, we're gonna remake this file. This wasn't there previously. and it should say light DM, and then we can enable it. We can enable it basically like this. Let's also see what we have enabled for default. Okay, we have debug, network manager, display manager, and our tutorials. This looks pretty good, pretty good. All right. We also need to reconfigure our kernel. Why it takes so long there? Okay, the kernel thingy looking good. Everything looks good. Let's check out this one. Okay, looks promising. Let's get our login diamond. We also need a user, like regular one. Okay. And also let's get our cron diamond. And oh, actually it has a lot of dependencies for some reason. Okay. And basically that's it. Yeah, that's it. It's gonna show us how to like do the bootloader thingy, but we kind of already did it with system deboot and everything. So yeah. Basically shows you how to reboot the system. But before we reboot, I'm going to set up a user. A regular user. Okay, this looks good. Let's copy that. Let's copy that. And we will call the user Rika. And we're gonna set password for Rika. Okay. And we also need to like do some kind of pseudo thingy, but I'm gonna do as just for fun. Just for fun. You know, cause why not? And also let's do okay, Duos is done. The config file for Duos is really simple. Let me actually show you it. Wait. Okay. Just say permit view, and that's it. I'm gonna test it. gonna do like this, and we're gonna do as emerge. Wait, how broke? Oh yeah. Let's test it again. It should work. And I'm gonna show you how to do Firefox Flatpak. This is really simple. This is really simple. First, you need to enable the FlatHab repos, like this. But there is a catch. You need to add user to ensure it installs this user. Then I'm gonna do basically Flatpak user install Firefox, and select the third one. And basically it. Oh, we're already down there. Let's unmerge stuff we don't really need anymore. Okay, I think we didn't make any mistakes. Maybe we did. But who knows. Okay, we're down there. Just need to do a reboot basically. Oh, let's also merge fastfetch as our user like this. Okay, everything works. And the Firefox is done. So let's wait for our fast fetch, and we're basically good to go. And from the time, I think it took me 1 hour, but in this hour I was kind of talking a lot. It could be a bit faster, of course, and also we did a complete install with like browser and everything. That's also kind of, you know, the point there. Let's do the touch and let's exit and reboot, and it should be good. I hope so. I'm positive it will boot. If it not, I'll show you how to fix stuff. But it did boot, because I'm just that good, you know. Alright, meta works. And let's set our displays. Let's set it to proper resolution. Alright. This works. Let's open a terminal or something. Let's do their default kind of color scheme. It's just so bad. Basically need to do black, white on black. Okay. So let's do fast fetch. Right, looks good. So what was there? Everything is, and we're using OpenRC in it. Do as build CTL list. Looking good. So next, let's test something more fun. Let's test Firefox. It's working actually. Let's do something on YouTube. Let's check out my channel, I guess. I'm gonna stop the music. Let's see if they have sound. Should have sound. What? This is really strange. Let's try another video. Do we get like Pipewire to work? We do, but we can't start any video. I don't know. Let's check this one. Okay, so we do have the sound. Just my videos doesn't work for some reason. I don't know why, but yes, just how it is, how it is. I can get other videos to load, but not mine. That's bad. So anyway, I guess thank you for watching this video. We did a full Mate install with OpenRC, UEFI, system deboot and everything. We got Pipewire to work and it actually boots, which is important, I guess, for some people. So yeah, thank you for watching.